Hey guys, I have a bunch of basketball fans here in my house. I have two sons who absolutely love basketball, so we got these really cool basketball bags as party favor gifts. You can use them to pack cute little lunches or anything like that. This is a 30 pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you a little bit more about the bag. But first, here is the outline. It is exactly like a basketball. In fact, when my children saw it on the counter in the wrapper, they actually thought it was a deflated basketball. That goes to show you just how true it really looks like one, which is super cool. Now here's the bag right here. It's your standard size little goodie bag. It has the color all the way down the front and the back. This right here that you're seeing is the bottom of the bag. So the bottom of the bag does not have the color. See that? But when I open it up, it's got clear, I'm sorry, not clear, but white on the inside as well. So you can stuff your goodies in there and you don't have to worry about them getting lost in all the pattern or anything like that. It seems like a pretty durable bag. I'm pulling pretty hard and it's not tearing or anything like that. It feels like maybe like craft paper, not necessarily like plastic or anything, which is really good. Now I am gonna show you right here at the end. Let's try and give it a, I'm gonna bend it first. So it bends really well, it holds itself closed, which I know if you're using for a party favor bag is kind of important. Let's see if it tears easy. Okay, so it has some little cutouts right here, so if you're trying to tear it, you can tear it, but I don't feel like it's as flimsy as it looks like it would be on camera. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but I feel like this bag is definitely sturdy and holding up, and of course, kids aren't going around tearing open their bags unless it's for a gift, right? So I think you guys will like this. It seems like it can definitely hold a bunch of stuff. If you guys are interested in a really cute basketball style party bag, you want to add this to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.